Hello guys, thank you very much for watching. Welcome to my channel. And I have to say today it's a bit special day for me today because I've reached 100,000 subscribers, and that's all thanks to you. So you're all amazing, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It's wonderful, it's just amazing. So I'm a little bit celebrating, and I'm gonna celebrate today with this perfume that I wanted to buy for a very long time. That's Black Opium from Yves Saint Laurent YSL. I wanted to buy this perfume for about 2-3 years, and I still haven't bought it until now. So I'm gonna make a little review about this. Before I bought this perfume, I got this little tester there, like this, and I sprayed it on me, and this is what made me decide to finally buy this perfume. And also not just this, when I sprayed this little tester on, my client was asking me what I'm wearing. Like, he was giving me compliments, like, this is amazing fragrance, it's just like best fragrance he ever smelled. So I was like, wow, maybe I should finally buy it. So I was thinking about it, and then when it became Black Friday, and I thought it's Christmas as well, so I thought I'm gonna treat myself to a Christmas now, and I bought myself this little beauty there. So there you go. Also, when I sprayed it, I forgot to say, when I sprayed it on, my other colleague, he could smell it from one corner to the other corner of the room. So I thought I'm gonna have to buy this one. So yes, I bought it, and I thought, yeah, it's a Christmas present for me now. It's still packed. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. It's beautiful as well. It's very shiny, like this. So let's unpack it. This is basically like upgrade from Yves Saint Laurent from there you go. It's a beauty, isn't it? This is an upgrade from original Opium, I would say. But let's get to this packaging. Look how beautiful and shiny and sparkling it is. Oh wow. Ooh, I like this packaging. So, and it's very, very shiny as well. And this one is actually Eau de Perfume. I love this Yves Saint Laurent sign, YSL. So let's open it now, and let's spray it for you guys. Actually for me. So let's open it. Wow. Finally I got this little one. Beauty there. It's really nice bottle, actually. It's beautiful bottle. It's very transparent as well. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's very shiny, black, sort of like a flask bottle with a black top on it, saying Yves Saint Laurent over there. It's a beautiful bottle, by the way. This fragrance was released in 2014, so it's about 5 years old now. It took me 5 years to get it. I would say this is mainly fragrance for winter. It can become a bit heavy for summer, so maybe evening as well, so winter and evenings. I'm gonna spray it now and let you know what I think. Already sprayed it before, but I'm gonna remind myself how it smells. I mean, I know it smells amazing. I'm gonna spray it now. on myself. Oh, by the way, this is tied. Oh, this one is closed very tight. So I'm gonna spray this one. Let's do 2 sprays. Oh, it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous smell. Oh, it's gorgeous smell. This is just gorgeous bottle. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. It smells very spicy, warm, sweet. It's definitely sweet fragrance. I love sweet fragrances. I love all perfumes, loads of them, but I mean not all. I'm very fussy, but I prefer sweet fragrances, and this one is sweet fragrance, definitely sweet. There is vanilla in it as well. We get to the notes. It smells from coffee as well, coffee, vanilla, orange. Yeah, a bit floral. It's just beautiful. Client said it very sexy smell as well, so it is sexy. I would say this one is for very confident woman. Very sexy smell, like for a smart woman, elegant woman. The top notes of like Opium are orange blossom, pear, and pink pepper. The middle notes are coffee, jasmine, licorice, and almond. And the base notes are vanilla, patchouli, cashmere wood, and cedar. You can definitely smell vanilla in there. You can't actually smell coffee much in there, but all the mixture is just really beautiful. It's gorgeous. It projects very well. Like I said, my colleague could smell it from one corner to the other corner of the room. So that says something. Projection is like 10 out of 10. It's great. The only letdown was when I tested it before with this tester. I can't tell now. It's the longevity. It doesn't last very long, and I think that's also the reason why I was deciding so long to buy this perfume. It took me about 2 years to buy this perfume eventually. So I would say it lasts probably only 4 hours, and then it's basically gone. You have to spray it again. So that's the only letdown I think of this perfume, but otherwise I think it's gonna be iconic one day. It's just gorgeous bottle. I think everybody knows it on this earth now by this time, and it smells beautiful as well. So yeah, it's beautiful fragrance. I bought it cheaper as when it was in sale, in discount for Black Friday, and I bought it cheaper, £20, which was great. it was great, you can save something. So it cost me £34 for this 30ml. Look how shiny it is. It's still shining. It's very nice. I've seen the advert for this, and it's also like it's used this fragrance as well. The advert is about a woman, I would say a woman, not a girl, who wears black, and she's got black hair, and it's in the dark, it's in the night, and it's mysterious. It looks mysterious, so I think it represents this fragrance quite well. And obviously the bottle is in black as well. Everything is sort of black and dark and mysterious. With this fragrance, I have to say, with this fragrance you will not go unnoticed. I mean, if you spray this fragrance on and you step in the room, heads will be turned. I think you will just know. Yeah, you will definitely get attention. It's definitely compliment getter. Men just love this fragrance. The smell of this fragrance is very nice, very sweet, vanilla, oriental. I know there is a coffee, although you can't smell coffee too much. So if you expect to smell coffee very much in this fragrance, you may be a bit disappointed because the coffee smell is not so obvious in there. But overall, I can say I would rate this fragrance overall. I would give it probably 7 out of 10. And the reason for it is because it doesn't last too long. Like I said, you have to spray it probably after 4 hours. At least that's my experience. It doesn't last on me too long. Maybe with some other people it does, but with me it just doesn't. I can't smell it much after 4 hours, so I would have to spray it again. But when you do spray it, it's a beautiful smell. Projection is really big, so for this reason I would give it 7 out of 10. I actually can't wait to use it now. I've been waiting for it so long, so yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this one. So thank you for watching, guys, and hope you enjoy watching my videos as well. And thank you again so much for subscribing to my channel. Honestly, you're amazing. Thank you so much for reaching 100,000 subscribers. It's amazing. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.